if the camera app is not working on your Oppo phone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix all the camera problems on your Oppo phone. Now first of all, just go to settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on app management. And from here, just look for the camera app. Now first of all, just tap on force stop and select force stop. Then tap on storage usage and select clear data. Tap on delete. Now after you clear the camera data, then just go to your home screen and open the camera app and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, just look for the option of sensors off. Now if you find the option of sensors off in the control center, just tap on it and turn it off. Then just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is fixed, then just go to your home screen and turn off the sensors off feature completely from your phone. For that, just go to settings. Now under settings, just tap on system and update, then tap on developer options. From here, just scroll down and tap on quick settings developer tiles. Then disable the toggle for sensors off. After you do that, you will disable the feature completely from the quick settings. Now if you have done all that, but if this did not work, then just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just scroll down and tap on system and update. Go to backup and reset, then tap on reset phone. From here, just select reset all settings. Now from here, just tap on reset and reset all the settings of your Oppo phone. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Oppo phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Oppo phone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now after you reset the settings of your Oppo phone, then just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and open the power menu. Now just select restart. Now after the restart process is completed, then just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now just check if the camera app is working or not. But if you've done all that and if the camera app is still not working, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera of your Oppo phone. Just take your Oppo phone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix all the camera problems on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.